I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on ambient mode in the YouTube mobile app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. While the regular YouTube player is great, it is a little boring. One option to breathe some life into the video player in the YouTube app is to turn on ambient mode. When ambient mode is enabled, you'll see colors from your video fade into the surrounding player ever so slightly. The only requirement is that ambient mode is only available in the YouTube mobile app if you have the dark mode theme applied. I'll link to my video in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to enable dark mode in the YouTube mobile app. Now let's walk through the steps to turn on ambient mode in the YouTube mobile app. Step 1. Launch the YouTube mobile app and then open a video. Again, you'll only be able to move forward if you're using dark mode in the YouTube mobile app. I'll link to my video in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to enable dark mode in the YouTube mobile app. Step 2. Tap the video to display the on-screen menu and then tap the settings icon. A menu opens on the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap ambient mode. The menu closes and a message is briefly displayed letting you know that ambient mode is now turned on. You'll now see colors from your video bleed over into the area surrounding the YouTube player. Ambient mode will be turned on for all videos going forward. You can return to this section at any time to turn ambient mode back off. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.